Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually make money using Substack. So let's get started. First, let's take a look on one of the featured or popular Substacks. Let's press on settings and then press on explore. Here you can find some featured Substacks. Let's pick this one for example. Here you will find over 18,000 subscribers. So how can you achieve such a thing? How you can achieve such a number of subscribers? This is what we are going to talk about in this tutorial. So for now, let's go to our browser and search for this search result. Let's write substack.com/going-paid-guide #setting-goals. So this is the link that you need to write, and it will redirect you to an article which shows you how you can specifically do this. So this article contains 6 main steps. The first one is to start by setting goals. So your Substack will never be popular unless you have a goal, you have a purpose of your Substack, and if this purpose is completely clear, is crystal clear and identified by you. So to do this, first you need to go to your dashboard here and your settings. This starts by identifying your publication name and its short description. If you don't know both of this information, then you don't know your purpose. You don't know what your Substack is determined to. So it will never be successful. So you have to set a goal for yourself. The second step is to develop a publication strategy. This is performed by posting continuously, because people will not subscribe to your Substack because of a single article, even if it's an attractive one. You have to continuously post. You have to achieve sustainability with your audience. This is the way you will gain subscribers. This is done by going to posts here and keep publishing posts, notes, threads, episodes, or videos. You have to publish continuously. For example, you have to publish 3 to 4 posts every week. It's determined by you, but you have to post continuously. So you can post from here, and you can also schedule a future post from here. This is in case you don't have a flexible schedule. So in some days you are free, in some others you are not. So you can write new posts in your free days, plus scheduled posts for the days that you will not be free. So you have to develop a publication strategy. Third step is to elevate your publication using design. So it's not always about your text, it's not always about your raw information. You have to provide an attractive design. You have to give your audience something attractive that catches their eyes and attention. This is performed from here. That's just, for example, write new post. In case I just wrote tutorial, this is a tutorial. And I just placed here raw data. What is attractive about this? It's not attractive. You have to add some properties for text. You have to add images. You have to add audio, videos. You have to add buttons. You have to make the best use of all these properties so that you can provide your audience with something attractive, something that is unique, something that catches their attention. So it's not always about raw information. Fourth step is to grow your free list. So in case you just wrote this post and you want to continue to publish, here you will find that this post is for everyone or for paid subscribers only. As a new writer using Substack, you need to have patience. You need to make use of your time, to make use of your patience. You need to give yourself some time to grow. It's like planting a seed. This seed will not be a tree after a day. It needs time. It may even need years. So you need to make advantage of your patience and your skills, and to keep writing until you have your audience. And you have to be patient during this process, because it requires time. And the more patience you have, the more successful results you will get. The fifth step is to prepare for a successful launch. So basically, here we will always write our posts for public, because we did not build an audience yet. So you have to build your own audience. You have to show them the skills you have. So by writing posts and publishing them for everyone to see, this way you can show your posts to the largest amount of people possible. So people will start to give you some attention. People will start to like your posts. And after you build your audience like this, you will migrate to subscriptions. And this is done by, you can see that it's not available, because if I went back to my home, just a second, here we are, you will find that I did not turn on payment. To turn on your payment, you have to connect with your Stripe account, so that you can start your paid subscription. So once I click on this and I complete my registration, you will find that this one is checked, so that I can now start activating payment paid subscriptions. And this way I can start to migrate from free subscriptions only to paid subscriptions, and hence I will start to achieve step number 5. Now what is left is to achieve step number 6, which is grow a paid readership. This is performed. I will show you how this is performed exactly. Let's now return to the explore section here, and let's look at one of the successful Substacks. For example, let's look at this one at the beginning, and now let's try to subscribe here. So here you can see that there are some plans. Each plan has its own features. Here you can see the free plan, and here you can find more than one subscription plan. So basically, all your subscribers will be in this plan at the beginning. Once you start to put some features in the other subscription plans, after building up your audience, after catching their attention, after making them loyal fans for you, they will start to migrate to these plans in order to get the features included in them. So let's say you have 1,000 subscribers. Now you will have 900 free subscribers and 100 paid subscribers. Then you will continue posting. This will make your 900 free subscribers 800, and will make your paid 200, and so on and so forth. By this way, you are growing a paid readership. You are taking from your free subscribers and increasing your paid subscribers. And these are the 6 steps that will ensure you will be able to build a successful Substack and start getting money from it. So basically, this is how you can do it. It requires a lot of work and a lot of patience. It is pretty rewarding though. This brings us to the end of this tutorial today. If you like this video, press like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.